In this tutorial, we will learn about OR function. So OR function is a logical function and it returns true if any of the argument is true. That means within the OR function, we can put more than one logic. If any one of these logic are true, then the OR function will return true. And if all the logics are false, then only the OR function will return false. So let's see how this OR function works. So we will understand with 6 examples. First one is for basic understanding. Second, third and fourth is for calculation. Fifth is for conditional formatting and sixth is for data validation. So let's understand. So here equal to or this cell equal to 5 comma this cell equal to 7 bracket close and enter. So here one logic is true, that is B9 equal to 5. So as one logic is true, it returns true. But here if I type equal to this cell equal to 6 comma this cell equal to 5, then all these logics are false. Sorry, here I have to put the OR. Now bracket close and enter. We got false because both of the logic are incorrect. In the same way, for the text, if I type equal to or this cell equal to Ram comma this cell equal to also Ram bracket close enter. So here first logic is true and second logic is false. So that's why it is returning true. And if all the logics are false, here if I type equal to or this cell equal to Rama comma this cell equal to Shama bracket close and enter, it returns false because both these logics are incorrect. Now we will understand the second example. Here it says check whether the people has paid installment through cash or check or Visa. So here in this case, if it is through cash or check, it should return true, and if it is paid by Visa, then it will return false. So type here equal to or bracket open this cell equal to cash comma this cell equal to check. You must see the spelling. Spelling should be correct, otherwise it will return false. Enter. So it returns true. Now if I drag this down, this is check, this is Visa. That's why it is returning false. E19 cash, again here E19 check, but here it is Visa. So these both are incorrect. That is why it returns false. Now here we will charge extra 50 rupees if it is not paid through cash or check. So here we can do it in two ways. Number one, equal to if or this cell equal to cash comma this cell equal to check bracket close comma 0. That means if it is cash or check, then 0, otherwise 50 bracket close enter. So here it is cash, that is why 0, it is also 0, it is 50. We can also do this. Here we will not use the OR function, just E24 equal to Visa, then value if true 50 and value if false is 0, then also we'll get the same result. So you can do any of this. Here we are understanding the OR function. That is why I have given the example with OR. Now the fourth example. So here it says that if the agent is gold or silver and its total sale exceeds the 50,000, then he or she will get 4% extra commission. So here we have to use both AND function and OR function. So here equal to if and, so within AND first logic will be or this cell equal to gold, comma this cell equal to silver, bracket close. So this is the first logic for AND, and the second logic is this cell greater than 50,000, bracket close. So this is the logical test for if. Press F9, it is true because it is 95,000. So comma, if it is true, then total sales into 4%, otherwise 0, bracket close, and enter. So 3,800. Now drag this down. You can say it is 0 because it is less than 50,000. Here it is bronze, not gold or silver. That is why 0, and here it crosses the 50,000, but the agent type is bronze. That is why it is 0. So in this way you can calculate the commission based on different conditions. Now we will understand the example 5, that is about conditional formatting. So here we will highlight these courses. So here we will highlight two courses. One is BCom, another is BSc. So select this, go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, and select this option, and here equal to or, bracket open, this cell, press F4 to remove the dollars, equal to BCom, comma, again this cell dollar removed, equal to BSc, quotation close. Here should be one quotation, then here bracket close for OR. Now select the color, okay, okay. You can see BCom, 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 BSc, BCom, BSc, BCom. So only BCom and BSc are highlighted. So in this way you can use OR function to highlight different cells. Now we will understand the sixth example. So here we will understand about data validation. Apply data validation so that you enter the agent type as gold, silver or bronze. That means here we can only enter gold, silver or bronze, not other than this. So select this range, go to data, data validation, select custom and type here equal to or, bracket open, then this cell equal to gold within quotation, then comma, this cell equal to silver, comma, this cell equal to bronze. All this text should be within quotation, bracket close, okay. Now if I type here copper, you can see it is not accepted. If I type here gold, it is accepted, silver accepted, bronze accepted. If I make a mistake, suppose bronze, delete the E, enter, it will not get accepted. So in this way you can create data validation within your data entry form to avoid mistakes. So I hope this video was very useful for you. But still, if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with all your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any new updates from our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.